Hey Jess, it's Tyler. Look, I know you've left Seaside Heights. I just want to talk to you. Please, just pick up the phone. I haven't talked to you since we kissed that night, and that was 3 weeks ago. Just if you get this, call me back. You know my number, I've given it to you on every other voicemail before this one. I still stand by what I said that night. I believed you when you said you loved me, Jess. And I
You're gonna have to talk to her at some point, Ty.
I know. But how do I even talk to her?
Beats me.
I mean, she just up and leaves, and then all of a sudden, she comes back, and everything's just supposed to be
Yeah,
normal.
okay, the situation could have been handled better, but you have to go down there. You can't just leave her waiting. You can't.
Maybe I can. I mean, she just up and left me.
Ty, I'm gonna be honest with you. If you don't go down there and talk to her, you have no chance of getting over her. It's been 4 years. Fine. I'm sending her up. You look different. In a good way.
Thanks. You haven't changed a bit.
Thanks.
So I guess I should tell you the reasons why I left.
Yeah, give me the truth.
My grandma in Georgia was sick, practically on her deathbed. I didn't have a choice.
Why wouldn't you tell me that?
I was scared.
What?
I know it sounds stupid, but I didn't want this to just be another summer fling and you leave me after you went off to college.
What would give you the idea that I was going to leave you?
I don't know. It's what all the other guys before you did.
Oh, so I'm just like every other guy, right?
That's not what I'm saying. I had to protect myself.
Okay, but what about me? I mean, you just left and then you ignored my calls, and I'm just supposed to be okay with that? I mean, why would you assume that I would be okay with that?
I don't know. It's what everyone's always done to me.
Okay, but I was going to change that. I hated you for so long. Because for 4 fucking years, you were the only person I could think about. I couldn't focus on my family business. I feel like I was barely there for my dad right before he died. Because I was too busy waiting on a call from you. And the worst part is I still love you.
Tyler, I love you. I'm so sorry. I can't change what I've done. I promise I'm not going anywhere else.